G'day viewers. Guess
Been
what?
a while.
It's been a while. It's been too long. Too long. So not a big camp. We're just doing an overnight camp this weekend.
Because we had to get away.
Yeah, we had to get away. Believe me, we had to get away. So just an overnight camp in the Patriot, which you can see in the background there. Took us a little bit longer to set up, only because we'd forgotten everything.
Forgot what to do.
Marie wanted to get the book. What book? I threw the book out years ago.
Oh, God.
So anyway, I'll let you know where we are. So where are we?
Belli Glades is a hip camp at Belli Park, which is not far from Kenilworth.
Yeah, so about halfway between the Bruce Highway and Kenilworth. I think it's about 10 or 15 k's in from the highway.
Yep.
Fairly easy to get here. Not a big campground. It's 10 campsites, all numbered. So we'll give you a look around. So a couple of things. We just did everything online, obviously. They do have firewood here, but you can bring your own. They do have fire pits here. Yeah, nice little park, nice and easy to get into. Small dirt road, but a couple of 100 metres, nothing to worry about.
Very quiet.
Very quiet. No kids. Isn't that terrible? No kids.
Probably because it's school holidays and they're all off being entertained somewhere.
They're all at caravan parks and pools and swings and all that sort of stuff. So you won't find any of that here. So just a quiet little campground. We'll show you around. But certainly, if you're just looking for that 1 or 2 nighter, just to get away, nice and quiet, relatively flat, easy to get here, certainly check it out. So what's the name of it again?
Belli Glades.
Belli Glade.
Belli Glades at Belli Park.
There you go.
Yeah, on hip camp.
On hip camp, so check it out. Don't bother telling them that we sent you because we don't know them either. Okay, yeah, for now. So that's the drive-in, viewers. The instructions are you come in the front gate, head on in, turn right before you get to the bridge, and then you find yourself on this road here. So you'll swing around and you've got some campsites over there, some campsites over there, and our campsite there. With the ute, of course. Always got to show off the ute. Everyone wants to see the ute. Viewers, tell me I'm wrong. Okay, so yeah, we'll show you a look around, but it's as I said, there's a dunny. There's a dunny there.
I was going to say no amenities, just a portaloo. No showers or anything.
Well, no amenities except the amenities, which is a portaloo.
Okay, well, you know what I mean.
There's a portaloo, viewers. Okay, but yeah, that's all that's here. So there's no showers or anything of that nature. No swings. There is a creek. I think the creek sort of runs along the back there, where you can see there's a couple of campsites. So we'll go over there and have a look. But yeah, that's the campsite there. So as I said, relatively flat, just with the road in. So there's only 10 campsites. But yeah, if you just got a group and you wanted to come along and have a quiet weekend, then certainly check it out. Okay, out for now. So we're just on a little bit of a walking track, just out near site number 9. There was a mown bit of sort of path, so we've followed that, and that's brought us down to the creek. So we're just going to follow that and see where we go. So this is actually the road on the way in, viewers. So there's the front gate there. So you come off that Kenilworth Road, off the Bruce Highway, turn left into the driveway and come down through here, and then you go down there and you turn right just before a bridge down there, but I'll take you down there in a sec just so you can have a look and make sure you know what it looks like. Alright, viewers, so as you come down that road, you'll come to this sort of Y intersection. You'll see a sign there that says camping anyway, so you then go off to the right. So Marie's gone up to the sign where it says no access to camping, private property. Just have a bit of a look. I might go up here and have a look as well. Looks like they might run some horses. Oh, yeah, and here's the creek. There you go. Righto, we'll walk back through to the campsite.
What are we doing?
How you going, viewers? Well, it's that time of the afternoon again. With a campfire, Mrs. Campfire Traveller, and a couple of portaloos in the background. Anyway, so the owner came down a while ago and said, "Oh, I've got a fire pit for you to try out." So he brought us down this little fire pit. I don't know what brand it is, and I can't show you the box because I tore the box up.
Renegade is
Renegade, was it?
engraved into it.
Oh yeah, there you go. It's sort of on the side. So yeah, sort of six-sided with a plate on the bottom.
It's very heavy though.
Yeah, it's heavy, which again, when weights a concern.
That's good.
Oh, very hospitable of him to bring that down. So yeah. So we're giving that a go tonight. So we're not cooking on it. If we were cooking on it, I'd have mine out because I've got a sort of a grill that goes over the top. But we're just using the barbie tonight. So we're just settling in for an afternoon at the campsite. So you can have a bit of a look around. That's it there. So not a bad spot just for a quick overnight camp, guys. So certainly come and check it out. Okay, now for now. So just give you a quick look at dinner tonight, guys. A bit of a lamb on the barbie. No, just because you have a barbie doesn't mean you can't still have your oven. So that's our swing out arm there on our Patriot, hooked into the gas bottle underneath there. So I'll come in this way and sort of give you a bit of a look at how it sort of fits into the front like that. And it just swings out on an arm, so very good. You see there? Oh, look at this. New paper roll holder. I know that that's nothing revolutionary, but anyway, I'll put that up the last couple of weeks just to put there next to the fridge and with everything else that's there as well. So yeah, we remembered where everything went. Thing is, we just need to use it a bit more, which we will. It's coming. So another hot tip, guys, for your veggies. Grab your tin of veggies, crack the top, and I'll stick that in the barbecue as well. Just crack it enough. I'll probably just take a little bit of water out because the water will boil over. But leave most of it in there and it'll just heat up in there. Okay, I'll show you what it all looks like later on. Out for now. Okay, viewers, so we've just packed up. What?
Is the car
What are you
too
pointing
loud?
to? Oh
The
no,
car's on.
I'm sure the car's fine.
No, just noise.
Oh,
you know?
the car's not the one making the annoying noise.
Well, it wouldn't be
Anyway, no, not you, dear. Anyway,
Dear.
we've just packed up. Yeah, just a casual pack up this morning. Had some brekkie, bacon and egg rolls on our little Dometic cooker, using some new pans. So it was good. So anyway, we finished here at our overnight camp, just outside of Kenilworth. What's it called again?
Oh my god, I forgot it.
Hey, this is the quality you've come to expect, isn't it, Pete, folks?
It is. Hang on. Belli Glades. Belli Glades, and
Belli
the
Glades.
area is at Belly Park, not far from Kenilworth.
Yeah, that's
Hip
right.
Camp.
Hip Camp. Yeah, check it out on Hip Camp. Maximum 10 spots because that's all they take. It was full last night. All 10 spots were taken.
But really quiet.
Very, very quiet, and quite big spots as well. So
Yeah.
you know, even the
You
people
can have
in the
two
spots.
cars per site. Just saying.
Thank you, dear. So even the people next to us were so far away they didn't bother us at all. So we met the owner of the place. What was his name? Glenn.
Yeah.
Glenn. He's had the property for a couple of years. It used to be a cattle property, but he cleared this area out for the camping. So really friendly.
Yeah,
Portaloos,
service,
but very clean and nice and quiet. So great, sort of 1 or 2 nights.
Time away, just to chill.
Yeah, and you can pop into Kenilworth. It's not far away. You could go to your Monday. You could even do a day trip to Noosa if you wanted to. So, anyway, that's our trip, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.
We did.
We did.
Yeah, we needed a camp away.
We really needed a
One
camp
night
away.
is good.
Just one night away. Again, this is our 5th trip in the Patriot. Packed up really well. Everything really works, so we're sort of getting familiar with it. But more importantly, we come to these places so we can let you know about them, so you can try them out yourself as well. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the vid, and we'll see you next time somewhere on the road. Okay,
See ya!
out for now.